It doesn't seem like there's anyone on this road. Why wouldn't there be people on this road? No. Guess because it must be a wheelie road. Squid wheelie road. Oh, there's a car. I don't think they're gonna care though. I did a wheelie! I don't think that guy cared. Try to do another one here. Oh man, I'm a second. Oh, that was almost. It had the beginnings of greatness. That one didn't. Jesus, fuck me. Fuck me, baby Jesus. Yeah! I'd like to look at my shadow, because then I can see how high I'm getting. Not very high. No cars coming. No cars coming. Oh man, I chicken shitted that one. Yeah! I did a wheelie! That one inspired greatness. Or goodness? Yeah, if I had shifted in that last one, but I don't know, my feet are still like, what should I do? What should I do? I know, I'm totally squid style wheelies. I'm not covering my my rear brake with my right foot. I'm not prepared to shift. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with myself. Fuck you, son! Fuck you, son! Goddamn son, bitch! Got some sort of rattling going on down on my skid plate. I thought I fixed that. Sand! Nice little cruise the country. Country cruising, going around a corner. Damn, son, look at all those cars. Wow. Oh, that one is almost drivable. This one, I could get it going, you know, if you know what you're doing. Oh man, look at that sweet orange paint. And there's a wheel inside of it. Oh, that's at a bad angle. Stay. There's a wheel inside. It's fucking nuts. I bet that's some sort of Dodge, like a Challenger or a Judge. All rusted out and shit. Yeah, it's like some sort of Buick or Oldsmobile, and I think the other one's a Blazer, but this one's something cool. Which is funny because this Mount Baldy. I've seen those cars in their natural habitat. Where, yeah, in this no trespassing area, top of the mountain, motherfucker area. Yeah. This is the sea of bullshit. Motherfuckers doing motherfucking shit all up in her. Shut up! I put a skid plate on. It comes with like some spacers, and I noticed the spacers weren't spacing. They were just jiggling, and I thought that was a vibrating noise, so I added some washers to my spacers. I thought that would stop that rattling sound, but it doesn't. Leave a comment if you think you know what the fuck that rattling is, and I will check it. Shut up! Oh, my asshole's puckered. If a car came up here, I'd be dead. Dead as a motherfucker.